Volkswagen's ID.Buzz, the all-electric update of its classic bus, runs on vibes. It's spacious, versatile, and relatively cool compared to other minivans. The company said it also leads the industry in third-row legroom. But don't get too comfortable back there just yet. A new recall, spotted by Electrek, is targeting the ID.Buzz for having too much space for passengers in the third row. The vehicle was designed to have 2 designated seating positions in the back row, so the bench seat is logically equipped with just 2 seatbelts. But, as the NHTSA puts it, the calculated seating surface width of the third row rear bench exceeds the maximum value allowed by federal motor vehicle safety standards. In other words, it's too comfortable, making it too easy to squeeze in a third passenger who'd be left without a seatbelt. Volkswagen's fix for the problem involves installing unpadded trim parts that will limit the seating surface width. While it's unclear what exactly this uncomfortable piece will look like, its installation won't require reimbursing owners, since the more than 5,600 affected vehicles are still within the new vehicle limited warranty period. In spite of the seating snafu, the ID.Buzz has been racking up design awards. That includes winning World Car Design of the Year at the 2025 New York International Auto Show and North American Utility Vehicle of the Year at the 2025 Detroit Auto Show. But while its awards pile up, sales have been a little slower to accumulate. Volkswagen moved just over 3,000 units of the ID.Buzz during the fourth quarter and first quarter combined, though the extent of the recall suggests that sales might be picking up during the second quarter. According to Automotive News, the company said the recent uptick in sales for its electric bus is partially due to improved supply in California, a crucial EV market and a natural habitat for the ID.Buzz. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.